right, for the first time mamas, here is how to change a diaper, things that you need to know. So when you're getting the tabs, you wanna make sure it's in this area. If it's too far, it's too big. And if it doesn't reach this area, it's too small. Also, this line, this yellow line on here is the indicator that lets you know when the diaper is dirty. Here's a dirty diaper. You can see how it changes blue to let you know when it needs to be changed, and yellow when it is clean. Another thing, you want to make sure that the sides are flared out so that we don't get any blowouts. So when you change their diaper, make sure that the sides are all flared out. Also, if your baby still has the umbilical cord and this is covering their belly button, you can roll this down to make sure that it gets plenty of airway so it can fall off nicely. And whenever you change a diaper, you'll want to put the wipe in here, roll this up, get the side tabs, and then be able to close it nicely like this and throw it in the trash.